Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to clean and polish old brass so that it looks like new again. Okay, there's a couple of materials that I will be using today in order to clean these old brass candlestick holders. First of all, you will need a newspaper. Then you will need some cut up cloths. It's best if you use the cloths that are really soft and that won't be so harsh on the brass when you polish them and clean them up. I will also be using this brand name mask. This is a polish and it makes the brass look really shiny, and you can also use it on other things as well, like silver, copper. There's different things you can use this material with. And I will also need an extra rag for the final touch-up when you're ready to make them turn really nice and polished and shiny. That's the final step to that. So the first thing that I will be doing today is I will start with this tall candlestick holder, and I will start cleaning it up a little bit so it removes all the dust that's been sitting on these candlestick holders, because when you put the chemical cream on there, then it will not stick to the dust. So you want to make sure that it's all nice and clean before you proceed with the cream. Okay, so now my candlestick holder is pretty much clean now. So my next step would be to get my cream, and I will put some of this cream onto my little rag. And you don't need to use a lot of this solution to clean your brass, depending on how big the item is. But in this case, these candlestick holders are really thin and you don't need that much. So now the next thing that I will do is I will start spreading this polish with my rag all over the candlestick. And make sure that when you do this, that you get all the ends fully with this polish, because otherwise when you do the final touch, there will be some missed spots and then it wouldn't look so good. So you want to make sure that it's all nice and even. And then you can put a little bit more, and then you just do it like this. Get it all the way around. And the reason why the brass usually starts turning black is because of the air quality. It just starts to turn black. So to maintain the brass, really you have to clean it, polish it to give that shiny look again. And that way it'll look very nice. Okay, so now I already put the polish on my candle holder, and then I will let it sit here for a couple of minutes, and then I will show you the next candle holder. And you get the cream on the stick here, and you do the same thing all the way around. Get the polish on there. some on the top. Get it all around. And this product you can get at any store. It's not that expensive to buy. I think this is really important if you really think that brass is really important to you and you like it to be nice and shiny. This is a good way to do it. I would say cleaning this at least once a month is okay. It's all up to you if you have the time to do that. Okay, so now I have the cream all over the candle holder, and we'll just let it sit here for a couple of minutes. Let the cream penetrate into the brass for a little bit, and then I'll be back and then I'll show you the final touch, and stay tuned to see how it looks. Don't go away. See you in a little bit. Okay, now I am back. It's been about a couple of minutes and I let this cream sit here for a little bit on the brass, and then now I am ready to do the final touch. So I am getting my really clean rag. It's a really soft rag, and I'll just start from the top, and I would just start going around in a circle just like this to remove the polish. And make sure you get all the polish off when you do the final touch. And then I just start turning this around, getting all the polish off. And you can see already how beautiful the brass is showing here. It's nice and shiny, and that's the look you want to get. And it's so brand new. So make sure you get all the polish off. And if you need an extra rag, you can get one as well. Look, see all the black stuff is coming off, so that's a good sign. It's cleaning it off really well. Keep on going around and around in circles. And then a lot of times when you see like there's a little bit of black stuff on the brass, you can also give it a second turn by a second time by putting the cream on, and then it will start looking better and better. But it seems like this time I only did that one time, and I let it sit for a couple of minutes, and it just brought back that shiny brass look again. Okay, and then I'll go on the bottom as well. Okay. And there is one candle holder. Wow, that looks great, doesn't it? Look how shiny that looks. Okay, and here's all that black stuff that was sitting on the brass candle holder. So now, since I'm going on to my next one, I will use a clean rag. You don't have to put so much pressure on taking the polish off, and just do it nicely and gently. And just remove it slowly. This takes a little time. You have to have patience to do this. That way they come out really pretty. There's all that black stuff. And then I just turn over my rag and then I do it again. I go over it again. And after you do this, you want to make sure that you do wash your hands, because with this kind of chemical sitting on your hands is not good for you. And you can use latex gloves, that's okay if you want, but as long as you wash your hands afterwards, that's great, because it's kind of strong. Okay, then I'll go on the bottom. And make sure you remove all that polish off. And there's some more of the black stuff, so we'll just turn the rag a little bit over and do the final touch. Okay, and here is the second one. Boy, these two candle holders are turning out really pretty, aren't they? Okay, now I'm ready on to do my other candle holder. We're almost done here. That way you can see all three candle holders, how they're turning out. Okay, and here they are. Don't they look so nice, so shiny? And there are the three candle holders. Remember in the beginning how they were kind of like dark and had all kinds of black spots, and now they look just like new. There you are. Aren't they great? They're very beautiful, and they're ready to be put on the fireplace with a nice candle on them. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you learned something from this demonstration that I did for you today. And if you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to watch my other playlists and my other videos as well. There's so many interesting videos that I have posted in the past. So watch them and let me know what you think. So I'll see you next time for more videos like this. Take care. Bye.